Hi everyone! Welcome to
Take a Risk in the Kitchen.
And today we're going to make a very nice recipe that one of our friends from here has shared with us. What is the recipe?
Soda bread.
Soda bread?
Yeah.
Yes! Really nice and easy Irish soda bread. You have to follow the recipe and see how Juliet makes this bread.
Yeah, I'm gonna make the bread.
And if you guys know us from our previous videos, you know what you have to do. Just leave your like and try to share as much as you can with your colleagues and friends for them to learn the recipe. All the ingredients are down below here in the description box. Don't forget to follow us until the end and leave your comment if you like to see it. Now it's time for us to make the cake, to make the
cake, the bread.
The bread, yes, not the cake, to make the bread and to try it so you guys can see it by the end of the video. Let's go to the recipe?
Yes!
Bye!
Bye. Okay, so first we're going to show you how to make the buttermilk. And we're going to use buttermilk for the thing. So then, for the cream of tartar, you can use vinegar, but we prefer to use cream of tartar. First, we're going to use 290 ml of milk. Then, 1.5 tablespoons of cream of tartar. Then, we use a spoon to mix it. Mix it very well. Now we're going to leave it for 10 minutes. Now we're going to add to the dough. And the first thing we're going to use is 340 grams of plain flour. Put it in the bowl. Now we're going to add half a tablespoon of salt. Now we're going to add half tablespoon of bicarbonate soda. And now use a whisk to mix it. Now we're going to add 290 ml of buttermilk that I already showed you how to make. But if you don't have it, I showed you how to make it. Now mix it very well with the whisk. Get all the flour because you don't want it to fail, so get all the flour. Okay, now we're going to add a little bit of flour to make it more firm, then we're going to mix it. Now we're going to continue mixing with the spatula. Now we're going to add a tiny bit more. Oh, it says I'll grab a lot. And this is supposed to be enough. Then rub all the thing off my hand, then we continue mixing. Now that we have the extra flour, we're going to stretch the dough. Flip over like this. Now I'm just going to put it onto the baking tray. Then do a little cross like this. Then we're going to put some aluminum foil over it. Then put it into the oven for 35 minutes. With a sharp knife, we're going to cut it through the top, just on the top like this, and then like this. Then we're going to put the sheet of aluminum foil on top. Put this on the side. Then Then I'm going to put on the aluminum foil on top. Then do it around the corners. Then we're going to put it in the preheated oven for 35 minutes. And it's 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, now that our bread is out of the oven, we're going to see how it is. It's nice. It's warm. It's puffy. Look at the other side. Our soda bread looks delicious. So now I'm going to cut it into pieces, and then cut it nice and slowly. I'm going to see how the inside is. Look at that beauty. It looks so warm. And I can see the smoke coming out. So then now we're going to go try it. Jeff, come try our bread.
Oh, is it ready?
Yes.
Great. So this is my one.
Yeah.
That's your pieces, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. So let's show to everyone how our bread looks like.
So fluffy.
My goodness, really fluffy,
So
and it smells just delicious.
Wow.
I think now we have
like
to
an angel.
bite it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's try it. Mmm. Oh. Mmm. Just delicious, Juliet. You nailed it. Well done. And I'm not gonna beat it.
Yes, until you give your mouth full.
Oh my goodness, yes. Again, I'm talking with mouthful. The bread is just delicious, guys. You have to try to make it at home because it's so easy. Less than an hour, you have a really nice cake and so fluffy. Try it, make it home because you're not gonna be disappointed. Now, we're going to do what, Juliet?
Eat it.
Carry on eating our bread. Bye guys, see you next video. Thanks for staying. Bye.
Bye.